Hello everyone, welcome back to Egg Block with Lowma. Haven't really done much between episodes, been kind of pressed for time. I didn't get to any of that, I will get to it. I've been stalling out on these chickens. They're really slow. I'm going to leave those, I'll come back to those after. I did get the Peridot though, so we do have a lot of quests to do real quick, so let's do that. Okay, we're going to wail on that. Okay, we were in Immersive Tech. Tinkering, we got that one done. Builder, Tech Reborn, we got the Peridot, got the Garnet, we got the Silicon. Yeah, there's a lot of quests done. I wasn't just messing around during the off time, I was busy, just couldn't get to what I needed done. Sorry guys, but Mana Still, we never collected that one. Well, we've got Mana Still. And nothing in that one. And then we go back to the top. All of that should have, this one is complete now. We get 5 Nether Quartz chickens. Can't be bred. Okay, so we have those. And that opened the advance, the glass. I've made glass. I guess that counted. We'll have to look in to see if there's a glass chicken. Okay, and that opened up diamonds and glowstone and all these. Okay, in between episodes, I'll get all this up and going. You guys seen me breed chickens. You know how it works. So we'll get some of this stuff going. But I think that is all the quests that are complete. Only about 4 dozen, but yeah, just a few. And it looks like all but, let's see, 1, 2, 3, all but 3 sections are open now. So let's do this real quick. 1, 2, 3, 6 of them. Wow. And we got another stool. Another cake egg. Some ender arrows. Another cow in the jar. Double compressed cobblestone. I can always use more cobblestone. And a pebble head. Okay. Well, let's take this and put it in there. And there again. Get our cobblestone out of it. Okay. Ooh, these. Let me put this Peridot away. Yeah, this room is too cramped. I'm going to have to figure out something else. Make this platform bigger maybe, I don't know. Maybe make it double length. So, I don't know. I'll have to figure it out. Maybe get that crafting area out of there and bring it over here or something. I'll figure it out. But I found out something neat. I don't think it's supposed to work this way. But if you take this chicken, this is the dirt, or the grass block chicken. Okay, I tried to hatch him in the nests, and he won't go on the nest. So I thought, okay, well, how about the nesting pen, So I tried that, and it didn't work this time. When I put this one in there, the chicken actually went in there. So, and you're supposed to catch them with the net, use the net on this to put them in there, and then you use the net to get them out. I don't have a net. I just took and clicked it with the chicken, the egg, and threw an egg in there, or threw a chicken in there. And it spit out 4 or 5 eggs, and when I went to take it out, it disappeared, just gone. And I tossed some eggs around. I got 1 actual chicken. I'm going to eventually breed him up, but as you see, he's already spitting out grass blocks. So this is going to be obsolete soon, because we have our dirt blocks. Once I get that guy up to 10, 10, 10, this whole section will be gone. Because if we want dirt, we'll have one of those bins over there, 32 stacks of it, sitting there waiting for us. So, one more thing we want to look at. We've gotten a few more critters over here. We got a few chickens. We got the sheep, as we know. We got this rooster over here from, I think it's Rustic, from Hatchery. I don't know why he's so special, but I'm glad to have him. He's something different. And hey, chicken. Yep, I think that I threw an egg over here the other day, and I think that made that chicken. But then we have this. He spawned in here, so I broke this open. I pulled the chickens out a while back because both our pools are full, you can see. But he's in here now. So, sorry, I saw that chicken over there and threw me off for a second. But I don't know if he just won't leave or doesn't realize he can yet. But yeah, it looks like he can leave. Yeah, he's out of there now. I still have that fence on me. Yep. So I'll put the fence back. Really don't want animals in there. That's going to be just for the chickens. But there's the sheep. Where's the other sheep? Now, our sheep the other day had googly eyes. Where's your eyes? Oh, we got robbed. But, yeah. They've been trying to get up on this and jump over the fence, but they can't do it. So, let's go throw these nether chickens and see if we can get us a chicken. And we'll get us a chicken, then we'll get into today's little fiasco. Okay. Come on, nether chickens. There's one, there's two. Wow. Looks like they're going to give them all to us. Okay. Not worried about no cake chicken. Okay, well let's, we got a chicken stick on us? Yes, we do. Let's take a couple of these. Pick that one up. Pick that one up. And I'm going to go ahead and pick the bronze chicken up and the platinum chicken and chicken. Oh yeah, that's because one of these, I threw them in the eggs are going to turn into a chicken. We don't need the man of steel chicken. So basically that. So we'll take these out. So go ahead and take those out as well, just because. And that'll be that. We'll come over here. And this one we're going to put these chickens. Get them going. We'll get them up to 10, 10, 10. Glad we got quite a few of those though, because that'll make it where I can start breeding stuff. Okay. We got these extra chickens on us. Let's put them in here. Make sure they're 10 10s. That one's just a regular chicken. That one's not a 10. That one's a 10 10. 10 10 10. Okay, these others go. Where have I got an empty space at? Just in that one bin. Okay, easy enough. Regular chicken. I'll just go put him down over here. Come here, regular chicken. Go live over here with all these other stuff. I think you changed colors even. Or maybe you have some buddies. Nope, no buddies for you, sorry. Okay, and thing milk. There we go, another one of those. Okay, what we're going to do today is an immersive tech. We haven't got this yet, we're still working on it. But, you know, part of the reason I haven't done anything because I kind of want to, you know, if I'm going to move it, I might as well upgrade it. You know, there's some poles to put it on, some things for the power, you know, so kind of want to get some of this other stuff done. And that might be cool to make our garden out of. I don't know what that is, but that might be cool for our garden. Might be an auto harvester so we can actually get some food going over there without too much of an effort. So, first off, we're going to do the windmill cells. We need 8 cells. So I should have everything on me I need. I have been looking into this. The cells are these or those. Okay, we're going to go with the traditional stick with these around it. Easy, easy. Okay, and we need 8. Alright, there we go. That's 8 of them. That's one quest. Now the other, detect. Okay, well we'll come back to that. It'll detect in a second. The other one of these, we need a wooden post and a wooden wall mount. So I should have detected by now. Did I do something not right? I've got 8 of, oh, I've got 8 tough fabric. I need 8 windmill cells. Okay, so that's going to be 3, 6. 6 times 8 is what, 54? I need 54 of these. I clicked the right one. It's 16. That'll be a while. Okay, and then we need the wooden post. Wooden post. It's just 2 of these fences on top of any brick or stone. Okay, got stone, and yeah, we've got all of our other stuff here. Need some sticks. Sticks in the middle. Wood on the sides. Oh, that's all we need, just that one. Okay, and then we take these. Oh, that goes there. Where's that stone? Any brick stone, okay. They meant actual brick. There we go. There's one of those. And a wooden wall mount. That's easy enough. Okay. Sucks that we don't have the stuff to do that other thing. I thought we did. Just make sure I have all the hemp. I'm almost positive I do though. Yeah, that's all of them. Too bad we can't make them with string, huh? Let's look, make sure we can't. Okay, where was it at? Here. Tough fabric. Yep, it's only made that way. The other one is made with the hemp fibers again. With this fabric, which is just more hemp fibers. So it's just hemp fibers and hemp fibers. So let's harvest these, I guess. See, that got us 9. Need a few more than that. That's 18. So that'll get us. We don't have any regular sticks on us. Oh, there should be some right here. I don't see any. Take these fences and that stone with us, though. Put that on the other end. Put that here. Yep. Okay. Ooh, getting hungry. With that piece of stone turned into cobble. Put the stone here. start. We're going to take this from here, put that there. Okay, that's got that. Now let's see. What do we want to look at? We got that completed. This is going to be a while. What's that? High voltage. We're not really up to that point yet. What's this garden cloche look at? Let's open this. Pink magenta or magenta balloon. Yay. Woohoo, gotta love magenta balloons. Don't know what it is. Guess it's just something you hang there. Okay, what are we looking at? We're gonna look at the garden cloche. Okay. Glass. Vacuum tube. That we can do everything. I don't know about the vacuum tube. Let me check something. Look at something else real quick. Okay. Vacuum tube. We can do this. Okay, we just need glass. Does it have to be red stained glass? That's any glass. Alright, it's any glass. And I've got all kinds of clear glass here. It just says glass. Thought it was clear glass. But let's get a few of those. We have a few of these wires over here by this table that we're fixing to use. Get to use this table. I didn't know what it was for earlier. Okay. Need. Okay. And our little melter over there, I've made it start making plates. So we can make plates over there now. That'll be nice. Got the wood. We need copper. Right. Copper, yeah, we only need one, but we got it. We got our treated wood, we got our glass, we got our copper wire, we need redstone. And we need an engineer's blueprint. Okay. What's this engineer's blueprint? This is the one we need. Okay, it's an iron plate, lapis, a steel plate, lapis, and paper. Okay, let's just make like 10 steel plates. Paper, got lapis. Okay, run down here. While this is melting, see, I've got the plates thing there. We happen to have another crafting table here, which I was using to make the planks here. Those won't come out. Okay, well, we'll put these in, because I'm fixing to use some of them. Put the copper in the middle, need a plate around each side. No? There it is. Okay, we have that. Okay. Close. We got that. We got that. We got that. And we're waiting on the blueprint, which we need the steel plates from. Still melting. Yep. Still melting. Let's go clear some of this out of our inventory that we don't need. Don't really need these in here. Don't need that. Don't need that. I got so many of those. We'll take it out of there though. We don't want it in there. We want it down here. But there are other dozen we have. Hey, I think we want to hang on to everything else. We'll put these up here. We might decide to use those someday. This goes down here. The other dozen we have. And I think we want to hang on to everything else. Throw these feathers away. Fix and move those to a smaller bin, I think. Throw 90% of them away. Just don't need them. Melt already! Come on, melt! Melt, 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 melt! Come on! There we go. Okay. We'll go ahead and put some more in there. Looks like it's 1 ingot per, which is the same as using the hammer. That's got us 3. We should have the stuff for that now. Now we run back down here to the other thing. I think it was an iron plate we needed for this thing, but just if it's a steel, we happen to have a steel one too. See, the iron plate, no, we need the blueprint. Wire and a wire. What was it? Wire, wire, redstone, glass. Okay. Wire, wire. Where's my glass? There's the glass. I need the redstone. Didn't grab the redstone. Redstone. I made the wrong one. Oh, come on. Okay, well, let's look at this again. Blueprint. That's the one I want. Vacuum tube, circuit board, yeah. Okay, so I need iron, aluminum, and copper. Same thing. Iron, aluminum, and copper. Copper, iron, iron, aluminum. Okay, let's try it again. Oh, need another lapis. And no matter which one you click on, this pops up. And you got to figure out which one you want by holding shift. I want this one. Okay. Empty out some of this. We don't need at the moment. Just got too much stuff in my inventory. I don't like it like that. You guys hadn't noticed already. Redstone. And what was the other thing? Glass. There we go. I'm going to take that out. Put it over here with the rest of the stuff that goes with this mod. Garden this thing. There it is. Okay, let's just set this down over here because I have no idea what it is. Oh, that's not too bad. Okay. I will look into this. I'm going to make fertilizer. I'm guessing that's water maybe. And it froze up. There it goes. Okay, and over here I'm guessing this is where it gets the items out. And there's where power goes in. Okay, looks like maybe dirt and seeds. Maybe two different kinds of seeds, or two plants maybe. I don't know, we'll see. I'll look it up and look into that. It does look kind of neat. I kind of like that. Looks like power is going to go in on one of these sides. Water will go in the back. And you get your stuff out the front maybe. I don't know, we'll see. But I think we're out of time now. How close are we? Oh yeah, we're a little bit over. Not too bad. I'll cut it up. I'm going to be cutting it up a little bit, so that'll work. But I hope you enjoyed the video here. If you did, hit that like and the subscribe button down there below if you haven't already. If you have, thank you very much. If you have any questions or comments, man, leave them down there in that comment section, and we'll get to those and do what we need to do to get past them. If they're bad, we'll do what we need to do anyway. If they're good, yay! I will make time to get into these. I just didn't have time to get into those. A lot of stuff going on. I want to figure out exactly how to use them and get them running because I want to get this section done. And because I'm thinking this next section, Industrial Revolution. Oh, there's a quest. Let's do that real quick. But I'm thinking this Industrial Revolution will be once all of these are done. It'll open up this section maybe. Maybe. We can only maybe see. We'll see. But let's open this loot chest up real quick. Last thing of the day. Wow, there's some stuff. We will never need cobble again. Yay, look at that. 6,561 blocks of cobblestone. That's more than will fit in our thing over there. We're going to have to put that in a compacting drawer. Or throw it all away. And I don't like throwing away stuff that we can use. If we can store it somewhere, if we can put it in a compacting drawer and it'll be fine. I think that's quadruple compressed. I think we'll have to decompress it once. Then we can have up to triple compressed in one compacting drawer and get it from there. So, but thanks for watching. Later, everyone.